Ngiyakhuleka kwabesilo, ngiyakhuleka kwizizwe zonke. On a beautiful Sunday, preparing for court. There is an interdict by Mr. Kruger under McDonald's transport or warehousing. Apparently, he wrote me incwadi ebikade ethi urgent on the 2nd of October. And izolo sike sathi ukukhupana ke no Mr. Kruger enqaba ukungiseva ngokusemthethweni because I told him how to serve me so that ezothola a proper return of service. So that now I'll prepare in notice intention to oppose. But nonetheless, I'll be following incwadi no Mr. Kruger ayibhalile at least because he akakangisave yet. Uke wathi ku Mr. Nkadimeng umfonelile wathi uzwe kuthiwa akaseve kuyena wayesethi Mr. Nkadimeng cha mayise ngijelile umntwana ukuthi ngithathe whatever you want to serve ngizobe sengiyakuthatha. So up until now it's Sunday afternoon and nothing has happened. But ngizoqala ngale ncwadi ka McDonald. Incwadi ka McDonald engizothi kushuthi concern yabo. Ifundeka kanje. You may have heard rumors circulating about a purported, in actual fact, le ncwadi bibhalwa u-HR waka McDonald ebhalela bonke abasebenzi bakhe. Isummary yayo nje ngoba inde. Isummary yayo okokuqala nezinkulumo akayikhulumayo uMr. Kruger, which is ummeli waka Legend Logistics, ummeli wa RS Regal, ummeli waka McDonald's now. Into engidiscoverile Mr. Kruger shuthi yena ama case akhe ummeli ka TikTok mangibheka kahle because all his cases akawakhandile uhlala ku TikTok wami. Ngibongeleni bahlala ukuthi ngiyaqasha khona abantu abathola asebama breadwinners ngo TikTok wami nje. My intellectual property is that important to the country. So uma sikhuluma no Mr. Kruger, in that I don't like about Kruger, every time he wants to call me, I'll answer, I'll pick up the phone, then he shuts down. He doesn't want you to engage. Every time he a conversation, he gives you instructions or he gives you orders. Because then it ends there. And another thing that I needed to address with him, Uguti, Ogokala, I wanted to appreciate Inkantolo, the Durban High Court, where for the first time Ukruger ayitole kufanele afake application following the right processes and the right procedures. Oglandela umthetho. Usually, ufika sefika ne interdict when you are not served, nothing was done, none. And big up to Inkantolo yase Durban High Court there. As a result, ufakile ama applications wakhe, so sizovela enkantolo sonke, which is fair to all parties, in as much as they claim to have it as an urgent application, but at least we see an opportunity manje kungaqhamukise kunama interdict la now, just like this stupid one. Sorry to say, this one is for RS Regal. This one was served application yakhe Wi-Fi on the 26th of September, where he claimed ukuthi mina ngifike emtateni, where you have all the videos, ngifike Maiden Wharf, ngafika khona o truck block ama truck drivers block access, block yonke into. Unfortunately for him, I post everything that I do. Amaphoyisa bekhona lapha emini ehamba no Gamede and others. Ayefike earlier on no security company or the security personnel ngaphansi ka Transnet. Yagciniwa gada those trucks. Ithi masebe reporter office abathi no thina sithole i-call engesiyo lento esifika la because kuthiwa apparently o driver ba block access bayatoyiza benzani and what not. So we are going to write our report esho ukuthi cha akusikho lokho esikutholile and it was like iyaliwe and what not. That is on record to the very same TikTok Mr. Kruger athi uma esethola this interdict fanele interdictwe from blocking umgwaqo, threatening abasebenzi, intimidating abasebenzi ngoba ama truck enzani engakwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. But nonetheless we are kufanele sivele enkantolo thina as ngomhla kabani konje this one, I think ngomhla 17 November if I'm not mistaken, but he got it as an urgent application yena interdict by ujaji Pedersen. Justice Pedersen, hi Justice Pedersen. I hope Judge President, tomorrow you'll be able to grant me media coverage, especially because ngoba into esilethe enkantolo kusasa silethwe ilo TikTok wami. There's no way ukuthi ngathi mangenza application ukuthi ngifine media coverage you question my TikTok or my credentials ekubeni inkantolo iyohlala ngo TikTok wami onga verifyiwe ongalandeliwe the processes and procedures, and inkantolo didn't even bother to ask if ama processes akuyiwona verify and even transcripts athinta lo TikTok ekhulunywa ngawo, even to verify and check if it's the right account they are talking about, and using my intellectual property as umthetho bona bayazi ukuthi what is expected. If enkantolo evidence kweye phone kwama recordings kuyini, they take that information for ini ukoyicheck and verify that information. But let's see ukuthi inkantolo isiphatheleni kusasa. But nonetheless, there are other things that I need to address there. Mfundisi uThula Sizwe uyavela la emabhukwini abantu abelungu laba, uvela ngearticle le eyayithi angisiyo umntwana wasendlunkulu ngesikhathi sise Bloemfontein masu phambi kwabantwana ngithi buye uzophendula about this article phambi kwaba abantwana okuyibona abangizalayo wagcwala izinkalo umuntu ongasangazi nonjani the very same Thula Sizwe owalandwa yimina endlunkulu ukuthi because indlunkulu ayina budget kunama allegations. Here is the docket, la ma docket lawo yazolo high profile. Here is the docket ethi wena untshontsha imali ethile indlunkulu ayinayo imali, and you know ukuthi akazibe bakhona ibudget endlunkulu ngesikhathi umuntu onaphinda ngene prime minister ngesikhathi kufanele isebenze ibudget yakhona. Only ibudget ye Oppenheimer Foundation and Oppenheimer and Prince Mangosuthu Foundation has been assisting the office la prime minister as umntwana wakaphinda ngene, but not indlunkulu specifically. The budget, which is 86 million this year, ehleli with Royal Support Office at the office of the Premier. Leo budget le isebenza ngokwethanda kwe office lika Premier and whoever is at the office and the royal household which maintains the assets and properties and Ndlunkulu and others. Also within Ngonyama Trust Board, where there's 5% specifically that goes to Ndlunkulu, then there are other percentages ahamba ngoko, of course ngike ngayi break it down leyo nto khona. So umfundisi uThula Sizwe njengamanje this article yaphuma ngalesi sikhathi ngimhubhela icase ye sexual harassment kaMam Khabonene obekade ucolleague wakhe ngesikhathi umfundisi uThula Sizwe ewu mayor eZululand, and uMam Khabonene was one of the directors ka corporate or community services. And why say ehambile the very same court in Durban, why hamba the court in Maritzburg, the High Court, and after ehlulwe 3 times umfundisi uThula Sizwe kunane protection order on top of that, and ukuthi yima settle uMam Khabonene because umxosho ngokungemthetho ngesizathu sokuthi uMam Khabonene wanqaba ukuthi amenzise as umuntu wesilisa ebekade edube njengomuntu owenziswayo ukuze ukwazi ukuthola umsebenzi, including my former friend or my friend uThobile uNtsimbi, uMesisi Ntsimbi ogcine esekipitani nomfundisi uThula Sizwe khona. Mina ke iqiniso ukuthi kusegqekeni likabani kuyafana ikhalela wonke umuntu, so much that uke wathi esewawinile ama cases ema high court kwaku judge uSibiye emunye, I forgot the other judge, omunye justice obekade ephethe ama case kaMam Khabonene, amchitha wathi uyadluliswa yise e court of appeal. When ngimhuba nakhe zozekhipha this article ukuthi angisiyo umntwana, I even said to umfundisi uThula Sizwe ngifuna uzochaza ukuthi kushuthi wena utshela ukuthi abazali bami khona ohlobo ngiwe noma ophingiwe. As a result, wena was it DNA yabazali abangizalile ukwazi ukuthi wena angisiyo umntwana. And lokho kuyiqala kufanele lihlawule nalabo belungu bazohlala banemali ke lapho bona bazokhokha impela. Uyabona bakuthiwa khona envelope yabazali abazoyithola, hayi bazokhokha laba belungu, hayi indaba yokudlala. Ibona bazokhokha nina vela ninamali nina. Iyona envelope ebrown ke ngizoyithola, hayi yokudayisa abantu, le yokuthuka kwabazali bami. And abantwana amshonge baze babayeke. So umfundisi uThula Sizwe ke ngiyamhuba ke, after ngimhuba aze khipha this article, ukhipha article because okokuqala amakhosi alinda ama benefits wabo. Number 2, already manje kuyimaye wafixa because ngesikhathi ngiyakuye wazi wabuza ukuthi imntwana kuzokwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ngibe uprime minister. I told him ngathi thatha lo 2 million uhambise eNdlunkulu unike indlu lamithi because he has been bullied by omntwana uAfrica nabanye abantu abafike khona beqoqa imali besebenze benze yonke into abayenzayo. Besides leyo mali iNdlunkulu njengoba isibhulishwa iOffice of the Premier and sesikwazile ukuthi iNdlunkulu iphume beku president at the time wahluleka na endleleni kwaba iOffice of the Premier nabo bani noduma babengena lapho kwaze kwaba nezinto zama mics in between. Indlunkulu ayinayo budget. So when you've been the mayor for Zululand as a district and you've been doing imsebenzi yaseNdlunkulu, as a result into elindelekile is to make sure ukuthi uyawenza umsebenzi wakhona. Then he asked because angisiyi inkosi njengamanje kwa same week ngangine meeting nabo eGarden Court uprofessor uzoconfirma lokho nomntwana noNdumiso and others uthi ke ngizokwenza kanjani lokho because inkosi uzuzifa ingene esibayeni kamntwana kaphinda ngene. I won't say umntwana uzuzifa because uyafana nami because mina nomntwana aphinda ngene sivunde esiswini sabantwana sizalwa ama princess sobabili but mina yami ingane isesi prince no princess. That has always been the argument of Indlunkulu ukuthi yes ubizwa zuzifa but they've been defending that all their lives. And uthi ke ngizokwenza kanjani lokho ngathi just watch me mina ngizowenza umsebenzi wami. I've always done umsebenzi wami. I've always been doing umsebenzi wami eNdlunkulu bayakwazi lokho ngiyekele khona athi ngoba ngumuntu kazana nje angisinkosi ngizalelwa umfundisi nje elami ke lithi ke umfundisi uThula Sizwe you are going to make it happen. Ngimnike ke iscope of work samntwana kaphinda ngene ukuthi sithini scope of work somntwana kaphinda what is expected from you defending Indlunkulu kuyo yonke into enyoba ungayicabanga. Part of it kwakuumsebenzi wakhona wengonya ama trust board we agcine sefuna ukugamanxa agcine eqake kwayona Indlunkulu agcine ngathi ufuna uyiphathela ilapha begcine bebelwa khona ke after ukuthi umuntu edile no judge uNgwenya o Mr Ngwenya abantu bazowakhumbula ama clips kaNgwenya naye ethi ugeza igama lakhe lapho kuma conversation amnayo. Finally abe uprime minister asekwe inkosi uChiliza because inkosi iyona kwazi ukukhuluma namakhosi ngale kwalokho umfundisi Thula Sizwe uyafana nalento ebiyenza upresident every time ekhetha the minister kaChokta mayekhetha uminister kaChokta kufanele akhethe udeputy minister kaChokta but iproblem bonke laba abantu bekwabafokazana. I'll use lelo gama unfortunately uma ungazalwe ebukhosini lona gama elisebenziswa eNdlunkulu lolo he'll be using amadoda esigodi nje the subject of amakhosi awe lavela khona but uma sekufanele kukhulunyiswe amakhosi directly inkosi ikhulunyiswa amanye amakhosi. As a result they will have members of iContralesa which is an organization affiliated with ANC ekuyona amakhosi abe office ka deputy minister kaChokta so that bezowasebenzisa. Khumbula ke manje ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngoChokta okuwona ophethe local government traditional cooperative government and cooperative government and traditional affairs kushuthi amakhosi no hulumeni basekhaya local government njoba sekuma elections alandelayo the third sphere ekwisona sifinyelela kubantu where they counteract ubukhosi as the monarch, not only the monarch as governance or government, then bafike bona with this 5-year term governance, administrator ibona through the councillors and the premiers, the ministers, up to the president. Kuno 5-year term where national sphere, kuno 5-year term osukufaka. That's why after 2 years uthola how sesivotela uhulumeni omkhulu, sesivotela ohulumeni basekhaya la esibheke khona. So umfundisi uThula Sizwe uyidlalile indima yakhe futhi isebenzele kakhulu Indlunkulu because nala kade sibhulishwa khona ezinto eziningi zenzakala. I-problem he wanted ukuthatha amandla awenza wakhe. One of his challenges was that amakhosi mangabe ezocapacitatwa useyibonile into uyawazi fana capacitate kungena ama UIFs okay UIF ibingene kungena ama benefits wabo the medical aids and other things ngimnike program ngimnike yonke into hooray finally he did it already but he made sure ukuthi ukhanda his own cabal ufuna ukudrive amakhosi azwe yena outside Indlunkulu because already scheme bese simnyela ngithi ngenze sure ukuthi sihubhana nje wephuma kwayona endlunkulu ngefastela waphuma waye kuba uprime minister wasale uMEC ugovernment wakhe kufanele adile naye even though the premier ebe nakho konke inkinga their factions eNkatha Freedom Party amshaya so much that usene khabhali yakhe usenendlela yakhe akhanda ngayo the parliament ebekufanele isuke from Pietermaritzburg ibuyele Ondini. Okay, he failed to achieve that. Then he decided ukuthatha amanye ama-office akho uhulumeni awabuyise London bese kusavwa the millions akade khokhelwa as ama-rentals lezo ama-rentals aleyo property ukuze ibuyele Ondini ama-office kusaveke imali ebekade edliwe vele which is part of the plan which is the program I gave the very same Mfundisi uThula Sizwe mina ngithe ngoba uyakwenza okunye ukuthi wenzani nani nakusabalekile. Then finally the agreements were signed. Same thing with imali zamakhosi ama royalties amanye bebuyela and all those other things. Into esingidina ke tu imali the millions and millions including ezabothala nezinye zamanye ama entities athinta amakhosi including ebeyikade ivela nakuma post banks no African Bank zigcina imenyezelwe but uma sekufanele iphume ziye ngononina kuvela u30,000 kuphi ubani 1000 kuphi. What is happening with imali yamakhosi sisazodila nalo angikho ngalo lapho. Then again into yamshaya ukuthi amasosha ngo2019 isilo esikhotheme safike sabayisonyazini sathi abayogezwa safike sababutha kuqala sase sithi abayogezwa amasosha military veterans both war veterans lawa amadala nama beneficiaries wow webe kufanele transfer khona iskill. That's why sometimes you'll see me ngihamba namasosha ngathi masha kuthiwe kanti apha amadala those are my beneficiaries eyingane zamasosha vele ezikhula ezikwi database ka defense and military veterans because already government kunephatha ayidlalayo where there's that part. Then kuthe uma ngabe kufanele activate amakhosi and amasosha egada lapha into emshayile his understanding was that amasosha ANC members amanya mover as affiliate nomkhonto umkhonto wesizwe party now kuye it's only those amasosha military veterans but the azanlas apla namanya affiliated nonkatha no PAC and others akaze even esekhazela ukuthi no akusikho lokho okucabangayo because kube ukuthi waze wakuphimisela kube ukuthi uma ngabe ethatha amakhosi wahlanganisa nalamasosha shuthi phela bona ugovernment uyahamba kubona. As a result he decided to delay the process of amasosha. Then he says kulesi statement he released at the time it was 2024 sometime last year in a date by quoting ngisho quote about 2023 actually uthe mangabe i-process yamasosha yama-placements yamasosha kufanele iqhubeke because yena usengenile emsebenzini ka-prime minister kufanele ngabe yawenza lo msebenzi. Umfundisi Thula Sizwe he decided ukuthi enze otherwise. Then he released a statement not because isihubhana sibanga amasosha but he used indaba yamasosha after we submitted the memorandum e-ofisini lika-premier where abefundisi bebelwa igama lalo ukuthi you can't call them call him umfundisi umuntu wama-cases akanje so much that bethiwa ube rana ne-brothel before. How did we become umfundisi and what not? All of those things. Then after he released the statement, nakho ke sengimhubha umfundisi uThula Sizwe sesisenkantolo khona ngimhubhela kuqala he's using the budget yase KZN where they ended up traveling be abantu abaye enkantolo ngecala laseNdlunkulu. Icala was specifically phakathi kweNdlunkulu not anyone else of which icala laba noma ngabe kuthiwa kugcina ngama factions but bebengenandawo to play. Yena as MEC kaKhokta had no need to be there. As a result he used and deviated on a budget kaKhokta of which he's answerable to that. And also wobani akaba accommodatile waze wadla nokuthi abantu mabengibona sengihubhana noSithula Sizwe sixabana lapha sixabana qala sibanga kwalezo zinto because wayelokho ebhize engihlokoloze even sekudliwa sekufika nabantu ekufanele badle khona ubhizi umakana nami ulwa nami khona. Then I had to confront him there and there ukuthi yeah by the way abantwana bonke bakhona la and sisenkantolo njoba sikhona la asigezelane wemfowethu ubuthelezi. So unfortunately waba umuntu ongangaza kangirecognize uyabaleka mina nguma evidence igama lami ngine evidence so ekugcineni uyayenza into efunekayo it doesn't matter ukuthi uyenza go wrong noma engabe yabaxova omasipala wenzani ngoba naye ikhandela kwakakhandayo but okusalayo he's delivering like right now. So this belungu ke they are quoting le ndaba zothula sizwe ukuthi bukani lo muntu enithi nikhuluma ngaye there are articles nani. And unfortunately for the very same lawyer Mr. Kruger, when we were in court that time ngimngenise ebusuku enkantolo thanks to ijudge elagcina lisihlalisile for that court, it was a motion just like this one esiya kuyo tomorrow ulegend kuyona uma sihlala khona Mr. Kruger uthi eseqedile ujudge ukhuluma sayithi judge because you've been referring to me Princess Zulu Londiwe Ngamo Zulu, let me explain to you how come ngigcina ngibizwa ngeprincess ngiyamchazela kuzaleka kwami ngenhlahla kumuntu wakithi omnyama loya understand. Mr. Kruger wanted to live the Mr. Kruger wanted to live there and there kuma court proceedings isaqhubeka ijudge wathi uyaphuma wathi ngoba inehara lathi judge wo we are putting it on record so that next time you address her properly must I nami mhlambe ngithi is in contempt of yonke lento ebiyenzeke enkantolo where efuna ukuphikisana nejudge where is challenging my title, but anyway ngithandile ke indlela yakhe a challenge ngayi title aka challenge ukuthi umntwana ulondiwe kancane u challenge ukuthi ngibizwe ngo princess because according to them they know ukuthi princess yase UK yase London ngathi awu wafika umlungu wafika la bengifuna khona yikho nje ngithe hayi ake ngimkhumbuze ke mfowethu vele nase London akhuluma ngaba ngazo lezi lalela mlungu ufike esikhonkosini ke manje ufike ngingakafiki mina khona. Yes we know ukuthi impi yenu nathi kube ye AfriForum because the AfriForum members ummeli wakhe nje lo Grundla AfriForum member bayaziwa and most of abaqashi la bekhulunywa ngaba ngathi ufike ekhaya ke mlungu uthi mina ngifuna ukulokhu ngibizwa ngeprincess makwezalana angisiyi princess bakutshelile nabantu obulokhu bafonela ukuthi ngumntwana. So wena kwelakini ukubizwa ngokuthi princess ukuze ube neunderstanding ukuthi ukhuluma nobani haya ukhuluma no princess ukhuluma nomntwana. Ngithandile kabelungu masebesho kanjalo ukuthi hayi ningambizana na umntwana wenu loyo nomntwana loyo but thina we are not going to call umntwana o princess because akusiyo princess abaseLondon. Ngathi mlungu nguthanda ulapho but kwaqondiswa kuma record ukuthi ukuze understand kwenzalana. And number 2 ngesikhathi addressa those things Mr. Kruger the biggest mistake again he did uma ngabe ebhizi nalama court proceedings wakhona Mr. Kruger ufuna umsebenzi ku TikTok uhlala kwami uTikTok iminute uthi ngiyahlala ngibheka ukuthi yinenye khona ngizothola umsebenzi but unfortunately ube lokho uphulile umthetho. Okay, we will go to court and he failed ukuthi asebenzise imali extortile from his clients. Part of umthetho yena akakhuluma ngawo unenkantolo once ijudge la keep order iorder libe selisayinwa liphume ngo register lihambe liye kuphi liye ko sheriff and serve iapplication yakhe. Mina namanje ngitholile application ngikhuluma ngale incwadi nje ngoba izona eziphambi kwami izona enginazo. I wish to file notice your opposer but he failed the whole day izolo wabuza ukuthi uma ngiserver fanele ngiseve banithatha email ngithi no unfortunately return of service ngeke uyithole ngeemail even if ubuseve ngamaphoyisa bengeke ngithathe ngoba inkantolo zinike o sheriff of the court ukuthi abahambe bayoseva even if amaphoyisa bebhali affidavit angithumelele ayifake enkantolo ukuthi she refused. Inkantolo was going to give her instruction ethi hambani ke nomseva yena nge application correctly so that you come back with the right return of service. Unfortunately ulwe wathi sihambile sayobheka sathola ungekho bengengihlale naye ngikade yena mina because yena une agent application ngamnika itinerary ngamtshela ukuthi ngisuka phi ngiyakephi you can give your sheriff my contact details. I'll be waiting for you to serve me. Athi ngeke azakwenze lokho ngithi unfortunately angikwazi ukuthi uzokwenzezani failing which you know where to find Mr. Nkadimeng because last time you served nafuna uNkadimeng ebusuku you served him on the streets weekend he's not at the office but so uyazi ukuthi umseve. Athi ngeke ngimseve uNkadimeng because wena osayithiwe to that ngithi unfortunately when uthenga foundation and unkadime ngise officeini lami imina ngithi uyabona la ongibiza khona uthi mina ne foundation yami I'm referring to the other order RS Regal I ngitshela ukuthi kusho ufuna ukubhala into enjengalena efanayo so this one it's for Her Royal Highness Princess Londo lana ke kusho besakhumbula ukuthi uprincess because RS Regal on the 26th of September uphinde khona uthi kuwona ngezansi Her Royal Highness Princess Loan Care Foundation manje mase ngimrefer to my office he's refusing to serve my office uthi abasayithi uyabazi who are the members of the foundation and on top of that with his order I-order yaka RS Regal kithi mina ngeke Mr Kruger ngeke you can't be abusing the state resources kanje you can't be abusing the courts uzoseva mina specifically uthi mina ngiseThekwini eMtateni ngenza ukuthi nokuthi eMtateni me my foundation and my members but wena uyofake uyo interdict abasebenzi bakho abako Port uyo interdict abasebenzi bakho abako Delmas uyo interdict but this order eyami mos the incident yenzeke eThekwini I-issue eThekwini why would you serve abantu order that doesn't apply to them same thing yenze uAfrirent uthola iorder eGauteng yabantu ubhala abasebenzi bakhe bonke nani ngisho ngamabongo ukuthi hambane enkantolo belungu ngoba enikwenza nithi it's an illegal strike ubani ustrike lesizwa ngani khona strikeile thina ubani strike mina ngazi ukuthi khona umuntu ostrikeile so umuthi kunabantu abastrikeile ngidivert ama truck incwadi yakhe ke le love letter ayibhalile ngidivert ama truck uthi mayebhala nomlungu wakhe la abasebenzi bakhe let them stand in solidarity nabo ngoba kuze lo mntwana ozoba rob imali zabo ubafuna imali uextort imali from them ngithi Mr Kruger wo incwadi abangibhalele yona le umuntu extort imali ubani phakathi kwakho nami mina ngingaze ngifune ngisho yedwa walama members imali kubona ask all of them they will tell you ukuthi akaze ngifune ngisho isenti kubona bazokutshela and there's evidence with regards to that mawuthi ngiextort imali kubona mina ngine evidence wena la wena ungisendela ama cost athi wena sheriff ugcina ukhokha imali e2900 something ngo 5 kilometers only usuka kufanele koseva bafike bathi abayitholi address but uma kufanele bayoseva beyo attacha ama address abawathola abaqashi then mina ungithola ngakhona uzothenga enkantolo mina ukwazanga ukungiseva the very same address sheriff bakade beyaboseva khona ukuze kuboshwe inkosi lade bethi bawoseva khona awubangisakwazi ukuthi uyithole the very same address manake in this case ukuze ngenzeke mistake where mina ngigcine ngaseva ngoba ngiseviwe up to now ngikunika specifically la usunesiqiniseko sokuthi definitely kwasenkantolo ukwazi ukubatshela ukuthi umsevile nje unkadimenga ukuthi umseve stratini you didn't care at the time so you are going to serve unkadimenga again this time because mina uyanqaba ukungilandela la ngikhona after itinerary yami ukuze ukwazi ukungiseva so athi ke okusala uthi I'm frustrating the legal proceeding or processes ngamabomu and he's not going to entertain me unfortunately mina kuzofanele ngikhuluma iqiniso enkantolo ku judge president unfortunately they'll have to grant me media coverage because you can't be bringing the very same documents enkantolo as the evidence saying when you took my videos ekuthiwa awaverifyiwe awanjani when you want to ukungibopha ngama video ami ukuthi ngitheni besides I made an example last time sisenkantolo ngo9 ebusuku up to 11 singene na it's the very same Mr okwathrow out of court judge ilokhuzana imetha yabo uyangiphindelisa futhi uzongiphindelisa futhi akunankinga ke naye solokhu sile enkantolo and kunama allegations athi ngiforce driver bakho ukuthi abame ngaba threatenisha ngabenzani I deny all those allegations ukhuluma ngani njoba ngomfazi nje mina ngila ngikhona ukhuluma ngani mina ngikwazi ukudivert amadoda emizi yawo anayo yonke intazana nebham nama truck ngihamba khona hayi Mr Kruger ugejile kakhulu ugejile and kuzofanele uprove inkantolo phela ukukhuluma ngani uma ukhuluma ngo TikTok wami before order can be granted they'll have to verify my TikTok nokuthi kwalo TikTok okhuluma ngawo is it my TikTok or it's something edited or into ofisa ukuthi kube yona because mina I've got my locking details nginayi security yami my TikTok is verified it's on my account angikwazi wena lokho kubhalile la ukuthi ngabe khona ngempela up until it's verified inkantolo will have to go back there icheck yonke leyo information but nonetheless I'm prepared to entertain the court I'm even happy because bona inkantolo zakhona they've been abusing them beyitshela ukuthi icapacity yokuthi sifike enkantolo songabe nayo sinayo siyafika sizofika futhi einkantolo ngizobathumela nabami uthi usushila ukuthi ungizwile ukuthi ngiyakuseva ngithi ngizwile ukuthi wena ulokhu uyangifuna uyangitshela ukuthi uyangifuna ngoba usungibhalela incwadi I didn't meet your deadline ka12 nansi incwadi uyibhalile Mr Kruger but I'm not going to acknowledge the court papers ngokuthi wena uthi usungibhalele lencwadi shuthi ngiwatholile ama court papers did you save me ubani ongifunile wangithola wanginika ngoba sheriff phela inkantolo njoba ngithi extort imali inkantolo njoba uclaim kuma clients wakho uclaim nokuthi wena uzoseva wenza phone call uyangilandela you are sending the documents from point A to point B why wenzogoloza nemali yama sheriff ngoba phela they are entitled to yona hamba khokha imali yama sheriff because when they are claiming a lot of money from extorting money from laba bantu bakhona uyobhala imqingo ya last time nje leya ebhalile mningi imqingo yakhe khona nengamabhayibheli engaka shuthi laba belunga akabathathela lama case abayazi ngempela lento ukuthi ayikho lento enziwa yilomlungu. And I even told HR waka McDonald's on Sunday umekhuluma nami ethi ngifonelwa abasebenzi bangitshela ukuthi angikhulume nawe the very same basebenzi enginama power of attorney abo enginama application forms wabo befuna ungena kwama union enginama signatures abo and their consents their videos uthi kimi Kruger mina labo basebenzi labo bantu ufundile ku TikTok uze yabona ngekhona engidineke nayo yonke uthi uTikTok umtshele ukuthi mina ngithe TikTok mina noNkadimeng asikho in good terms hayi ngeke whoever is translating for ubaba lo washo naqala ukuthi it's an offer meaning ukuthi bona abekho sho ngale language abayikhuluma akusiyo neyabo uthi mina ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma isingisi angikhuluma isingisi uthi hey ukhuluma igama elibaleke kabi uKruger laphana uyabona which is a compliment uyabona ukuthi isingisi sami uthi siseqophelweni kusho yena uKruger but iproblem Kruger awukhokhelanga isingisi sami wena ngiyakhulumisa wena isingisi wena ufanele ukukhuluma isiZulu kimi ngoba wena oze kimi why uzongitshela ukuthi angikhuluma isingisi mina ngiphile South African endala neSouth African nje mina nginika ilungelo lami lokukhuluma isiZulu wathi kushuthi ngifuna interpreter ngathi yebo ufuna interpreter ngoba ngizokhuluma sona futhi wenze sure ukuthi nesisuthi yasikhuluma ngoba abantu bakho abaze enkantolo abasuthu abanye amavenda amanye amapedi ibona abaze enkantolo mina ngiyathumela mina nginayo ummeli bona ngoba bayingxenye yecase abanawo ummeli and remember Kruger you are taking this the other way round I think abameli balaba belungu bethu they are failing to understand ukuthi uma sinemethe esidila nayo it's not about ukulwa nabo but ibona bayalwa ngithema ngikhuluma no bani beku u40 not ufoshe u40 from McDonald's on Sunday ngithi mina already you are negotiating I like the fact that you are negotiating uthi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi bafike bathina abasebenzi bakho kimi ngithi mina abasebenzi bakho bathi awubezwa but can you grant them an ear so much that ngidana ama recordings ngithi mina buyela kubasebenzi bakho uba khulume nabo ngoba bathi wena ubezwa njoba sebethe khuluma nami wena buyela kubona ukhulume nabo ubeze ukuthi bathini uma nivumelana nihambisane nama truck enu akusime kufanele ngitshela abasebenzi bakho ukuthi bahambe noma bengahambi njoba usungifonelile wena the only basebenzi futhi akusiba bakho uAfriRand nabanye abasebenzi bamanye ama companies abathe bona ngeke bahambe after 11 ngoba umthetho waka bargaining council awuvumi ukuthi uhambe after 11 and it was after ama companies like uAyizusa uthe abekho abasebenza abaphuliswa umthetho I've got the clip and uAyizusa where I was saying bathi abasebenzi ngise officeini la khona no HR bathi abasebenzi nina nibaphoqa ukuthi abahubha ama load ningabanika ama basic baze bagcine beshayisa abantu which is a crime niba committee crime bafike bazoceba bathi niba committee crime therefore they need protection so ngitheke kulabo basebenzi nina uma ngibuyela kubona abelungu bathe nina yinini encisha ama cameras bese nihubha ama load nina that is on record because wena Kruger ummeli ka TikTok hamba obheka i-meeting yami noAyizusa namanye ama companies that I went to as a result ngamtshela mina uAyizusa ngathi uma kukuthi uthi umlungu uhamba after 11 phela letha ama details ka control so that soyovulela ucontrol ama cases what are you talking about ngagcina ngihlukane lapho nomlungu eyokhuluma nabasebenzi bakhe ukuthi uyayilungisa inkinga zabo. Today mina uKruger ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi ngimluzise umsebenzi ka 250k ngaphansi ka NPC lapha eMtateni lapha ko Simende lapha emkhumbini laba behlisele emkhumbini. Wathi kuno 1.5 million engimcoste wona ngenxa yokuthi ngiphazamisa ibusiness. Ngitshela driver abanqume kabili emgwaqeni abakhe ka McDonald ngabatshela ukuthi abenzeni ngithi mina weKruger, excuse me, can you show me ukuthi ukhuluma ngani ngoba sidinga evidence. Akonakele lutho mina ngidinga evidence endakhuluma ngayo ngoba mina nginayo evidence yakhuluma ngayo. Uma ngithi ngiyalandela lapha ziningi into ezibhalile ngitshela ukuthi by u12 Friday mhla ka 3 fanele kube njani mhla by u6 fanele kube njani. Ngithi mina Kruger siye enkantolo uye kulokhu ukhuluma kakhulu. Ukhuluma kakhulu ngoba inkantolo isober enough. Izofanele ilandele umthetho wena noma ngabe awuphula umthetho seba decide abona ukuthi benzani ngawe for perjury because you've been lying a number of times over under oath. So I'm not going to answer anything. I'm going to deny. Uzothi last time sisenkantolo uthi aka deny lutho nokuthi uthini. I'm denying everything eshiwo because anginawo amandla lento ishoyo mina. Angaze ngehle namadoda ebhamezi u15 engabuthi ngehle namadoda ebhame engaki laphana eCatholic ngi-intimidate security. Le security esayinayo le eyagcina ikhuluma izulu nathi ikhuluma nokuthini ithi yabonga ukuthi ngifikile in time ngoba driver bathe bafuna ukungibona ngabalinda ku N3 sebedukile ngoba balandele my love location. So angifuna ukuthi ngize ngene kuma merits case because tomorrow it's not about that. It's a motion court into ka 5 minutes noma last time ba decide ukungihlalisa 3 hours ngathi lo 3 hours uphelile kade bengekho bona enkantolo online baqede na following day bangihlalisa omunye 2 hours noma kwaba 9 to 11 angikwazi nokubala izibalo lezi angikwazi nokuyibala zona ngazi nokuthi how many hours khona lokho. Good people, you know I think it's high time nabasebenzi balazi inkantolo kufanele baqale bayicubungule kahle into before they just xivi yonke into ngoba wenkosi yami imisebenzi iza kuniphelela. Uma nenza okurongi njengoba ngisho ukuthi awukwazi ukwenza into errongi nabantu ngoba wena usabibala ake bafundisa abantu umthetho. Abafundisa abantu phoyisa alifundisa umthetho wonke umuntu afundisa umthetho. Mina ngazi ngowamakhosi umthetho hayi lo wabo okhamba ufikile nama Roman Dutch laws and what ayangwazi lo wabo angwazi ikho ngithi hayi ukhulumisa nodwa mina nje ngizoba isaram senkosi ngilalela. I'm just a lame person angazi lutho ngempela ngapho but ngebhadi ngesikhathi bona beguqula umthetho wabo beletha impose phezukwethu beze beqede bethi awu adoptwe ube kwi constitution yethu eSouth Africa bafika umthetho uvele ukhona njoba beho my lord today ama landlord avela khona bavela inkantolo zabo ziyarana ziyaqhubeka manje angazi uma ukuthi bona bacabanga ukuthi umthetho owabo kangcono ngoba yena uhambe o recognize kweyakhe in as a law firm or yena as umuntu omthetho kuma association abameli nani hayi mfana uzawuhlanganisa nje lo mthetho wamakhosi engifunde ngawo ngikhulele kuona enguncelile kuyiwona osebenza inkantolo zawo plus incwadi ke bona ba decide ukunginika yona hayi advantage ke kimi ingane zakwethu ngiyekeni nje ke mina mabe sibopha phela Nkosi yami basibopheni angithi bathe abasebenzi they are embarking on illegal strike base bekhohlwa ukubabopha phela maku illegal but banesibindi sokukhotha iAMCU ukuthi kwaze kwafa abantu ngento yeAMCU. This time angazi umuntu ofile from whatever lokho bekwenziwa wo driver ngisazozwa ngabo mangabe ngithaba consolidate bengichazela ukuthi bebenzani from whatever lokho ababekade bekwenza o driver ngoba phela u driver ilungelo lakhe badala bonke laba bantu angezwa neyodwa icompany ekuthiwa nomuntu okhubazele ekuthiwa wenziswe yiminto ethile angezwa neyodwa icompany ekuthiwa nomuntu under 18 years uma khona phela makunjalo le enomuntu okhubazekile hayi bafethu ama scores abo fanele anyuke labo ke ama contracts so ahubha sezesho ukuthi bayabanika hayi benza into enhle phela labo angezwa neyodwa enabantu aba under age abaqashiwe ukuthi kuthiwa khona umuntu mina owenziswe yiminto hayi angikwazi mina lokho but ke sodibana enkantolo soza khona inkantolo isiphaseleni sengizonyamalala nje ngalesi sikhathi ngiphinde ngifunda lesi singisi ngicela bengitranscribe inkantolo ofanele phela nami nginika ithuba ke ngithola umuntu ozongitolikela lesi singisi phela mina ngafunda koBhekuzulu King Bhekuzulu uyabona ngafunda yabona lezi izikole lezi manje lento yabo lelibuya ingejise mina ngazi uSizulu iyona mother language yami yikho ngimtshela noKruger futhi ngagcina sengimtshela iZulu ngeke Kruger ungikhulumisa ulimi lakho ngoba wena le advantage kuwe mina sekufanele mina ngishintshele wena ngoba kwenze njani ngoba wena ungithathe wangifaka enkantolo kweza kini inkantolo ngebhadi nathatha no interpret umsebenzi wabo baletheke uzobaqasha la uzobafundisa kofanele atolike yiyo uya understand mletheke ukuze angitolikele ngoba mina ngitolikele wena ufuna uthi kusasa uthi ngithe ngiyazazi mina ngesiZulu ukuthi ngitheni yikho namanje ngisho ukuthi musu kungiquote out of context because yonke into ebhalwe la they are quoting me out of context fanele ngibuze angathi mayethi athi mangithi ngikhuluma ngokuhlala akhulume ngokuhlala ka sit down kanti mhlambe ngikhuluma ngokuhlala kokuba isakhamuzi ase interpreter isiZulu esithando yena mangikhuluma ngokuhamba ukuthi ngihambe kancane noma ngihambe lokho ukuthi kuyathakathwa hayi angalinga ngikhothe out of context angalinge nje ngoba angazi lothu uyabona yonke into ebhalwe uKruger mina ngiyazi ukhuluma ngani uKruger ngididekile futhi kwasiza ukuthi inkantolo ingitolikele yonke lento eyenziwa ebhalwe uKruger lapha ake ngithokoze bahlala ake ngithokoze ngithi hayi nje ayidibane ingane zakwethu ngisasebhizi ke nabanye abahlali ngoba cha inkantolo ngisazoyihamba ngiyezwa nalapha Sokoza ukuthi engathi khona enikwenzayo lapho Sokoza hayi bahlali abeza ngobuso kofanele nje bathatha ubackline you cannot tell me ukuthi uKruger uthema ngabe ubongani we Soil of Africa beapplyela imashi lapha ya Legend Logistics ayithi ubongani ngiyamprescribe ukuthi akahambe njobe ethi uyaka Home Affairs nje after bone ngise Home Affairs embombela wabona abantu ukuthi bathutheleka badinga usizo now he's capitalizing on that almost yonke into engiyenzayo iSoil of Africa nkosi yami iyicathule emva kwakhona so isiyahamba kuyofaka iapplication eLegend ithi iyoteleka ivalue Legend because they want the table lokho engakade ngizokwenza nabo mayefika i-application umasipala uyideny i-application i-deny i-application because uKruger ufika wabhala incwadi enjengayo le wathi abaphendulani ubongani wayiphendula incwadi wathi ngeze sivinjwe yini thina silwela abantu sinjani zamshisa wayibuyisa kwelami ioffice wayinika uMr Nkadime ngeoffice lami ukuze sibaphendulele ngoba seyinqindekile ayisazi ukuthi ishonephi but still baba mobilize abantu babatshothi hayi mhla 15 siya khona siya uKruger vela ngahluphi kakhulu abhalela umasipala utshela ukuthi umasipala nize nibagrante lelo order nizoyibothi nifana nobani nibagrante ipermission to steleka umasipala uno legal department is threatened by a private sector emhlabeni wenkosi emhlabeni oseviswa yilo masipala because that's what 19 or what 17 ngaphansi kwemalahleni municipality and the portion uLegend wakhe kuyona it's the tribal land ngikhuluma ngemap mina enginikwa uyena uMahlangu Qobo ngesikhathi edinga usizo now uMahlangu inkosi ifuna ukuthi kotelekwa kuvinjelwe idingo zomphakathi bese uthi umasipala ngeke uzoyikubona lokho ngenxa yokuthi usu intimidateiwe kwaze kwathreatenishwa illegal department yamasipala yashiwa ya interdictwa hayi kanti sikuphi la sifike kanjani bahlali uma ngifika mina ngizokhulumisa iapplication yokuthi cha bayavala country siyayivala national shutdown iapplication yesiteleka mhla ka 13 but ke kufanele sinazise into eyodwa bonke laba belungu bavuma into eyodwa kulamaphepha ade siwafuna kubasebenzi babo bavuma ukuthi sidlile imali zabasebenzi leze bekufanele ngaba ama unions a mediator phakathi kwabasebenzi nabaqashi babo ngama unions through the bargaining council through CCMA through labor courts sidlile lezo imali as a result mntwana let's negotiate indaba yokuthi siba back pay kanjani ngithi bhalani belungu bhalani buyisana nginizwa lethana ama video lethani ngiqoqa evidence phela mina funa kusasa bengangijikela belungu uyabona bayiletha ba negotiate bayifaka ezinye imali ezinye bangayifaka abanye abathi abakhokhelwe bayahluleka bayashayisa baze bashayisa kwaze kwaba namhlanje abanye sine evidence ukuthi imali kusho bona ukuthi bayidlile le mali eyi security yabasebenzi uma beneyinkinga ezifana nalezi basho bathi babafune iunion abaye bathi iunion angithi iunion mangabe uapply i-strike or uapply i-picketing or i-protest i-picketing is allowed. It's a matter of letting them know nje ukuthi wozani nizosibheka masipala facilitate process. The process ye application ka section 205 and the process ka section 19 ne section 17 isuke ingasesiyi inkinga yabasebenzi nabahlali. That one inkinga kamasipala ekufanele ngalesi sikhathi bezoya lapha abantu wona ufacilitated the stakeholders ekukhulunywa ngawo. We don't need the approval ka Legend Logistics, we don't need the approval ka Sokoza, we don't need the approval ka bani. Hence why the application ibifama companies awu 68 and others yayisifaka abahlali yayisifaka abanikazi bomhlaba amakhosi ibona bathi awume lo mcimbi nithi nawo la endaweni esinayo. Umasipala ke responsibility yawo kusasa lokho kusayo because application bekade bekhuluma ngo section 4 meeting on Tuesday. Uma mina ngiza ku section 4 meeting yabo njengo convener and organizer wayo yonke into namasekela i delegation ngimthandile uMr Sibiya lapha neoffice la kamasipala eMalahleni. Hayi zifika nje ihloniphekile futhi isazi isitori sazo zashukana hayi za challengeana wazi wathi princess your delegation is here, can I hear from your side ukuthi bathini. Ngase ngimsummarizela yonke into ngase wayesethi hayi bashiyele kimi ke sizoqhubeka. Indeed the application yabisingena. Does the application need the approval now? Eyabani i-approval? Ngithi ke mina ngicela section 4 meeting on Tuesday. Remember ukuthi ukhuluma ngomuntu ophatha ingadla zemcimbi. Mina umkhosi womhlanga ubugcina kwezami izandla nci. Sebengene bonke ekugcineni ijogi ihlale fanele ihlale from the service provider Arts and Culture Petty Budget Office of the Premier indlunkulu yonke ama stakeholders wonke thinte go service provider onjiniyela basuke bezochecka amatende yintombi zu 60,000 onontombi bangaki ama guest afika abadayise gateini yonke into ama marshals mangaki makonzala all the stakeholders ekugcineni fanele ngenza presentation yengonyama because all their protocols aphelele endleleni. Ngonyama transport everyone aphelela somewhere anama protocols agcina somewhere. Uma sekusuka lapha ekugcineni fanele umuntu ayohlala nejogi. Fanele ijogi izohlala lapha yakulindele kubani nobani. Imagine uphethe umcimbi wabantu abangaphezulu ka 200,000. Every stakeholder usazi by head up until ekugcineni ukudla kwengonyama okuzodliwa ingonyama. Now uzotshela mina ngomsebenzi we understand ongenana nalama protocols engikhuluma ngawo. Ngiyathoba because fanele ngithobela abantu ngiyabahlonipha and I know all the protocols, I follow all of them ngoba ilokho engikufundisiwe because in the process I have to educate people. So igcini yangena ke application and I requested for a section 4 meeting. I know exactly what I'm talking about. Irresponsibility kamasipala waseMalahleni yini ke is to send the letters to all the stakeholders that I mentioned ephepheni le application lam ukuthi they are part. Fanele yena nje afane avela afune iholo ngoba I'm sure council chamber yabo ngeke izinele because all of the stakeholders lawa afunekayo Tuesday fanele behlalile ukuthi ya approve ke iapplication izobe vinjwa yini ukuapprove usuhlalile section 4 wakutabelishela yonke into ukuthi what is expected ithini indlela yakhona. Those stakeholders, they are just minor laba companies with bigger picture that is there, including abantshontshe beyimali zabantu ekufanele ngabe facilitator le process which are unions abavumile ukuthi bayintshontshile the agents avunyiwe baze basho ukuthi babalekele nezimali zabo as a result ozusa basafuna ubargaining council ukhokhela abasebenzi imali zango 2017 18 2019 amakhesi bafaka ngo 2019 up to now abantu bayitholile imali zabo abantshontshe beyimali ama awards ama arbitration awards CCMA labor ama sheriff akhona inkantolo bekufanele bayideliver bonke badingeka la ku stakeholders meeting. Then you'll understand ukuthi lo mntwana wo stakeholders meeting stakeholders office ama stakeholders yini ilapho ozokwazi khona wena SAPS wena bani ilo mhlangano bona abangeke bakwazi uku interdicta lo mhlangano because it's not about them only ba ufisho omncane bona olwandle la khona oshaka ngasashilembeleli elukhokho babazala mina uyabona. So yena kwakhe umasipala is to make sure all of those stakeholders are there If they are not there, they must account. It's the responsibility yamasipala. Sigcine sesifundisa umasipala umsebenzi wabo. Ngoba phela kusho ukuthi labantu abaqashwe lapha abazazi ukuthi kanti yini umsebenzi wabo in the first place. Ngehlahla sazwana. Uma ukuthi they need an extension bagcile beshilo ukuthi mhlambe to facilitate the process it must take us ikusasa ne Tuesday. Sicela at least nibe flexible even to Wednesday. Okwabi ukuthi bapostpone bona ngoba thiya sobanika iplan fanele babuyele emuva beorganize ngoba iapplication isuke ifakela ukuthi wena zihlele emasipala ngoba kunento eyokwenzeka there. Ilungelo labo abantu ukuthi befike kwi strike ngesikhathi bekwi strike ukuthi wena udecide ungayi as the municipality will account ukuthi kwenzakale kanjani iPOP was not there, not iPOP ukuthi yokhahlela abantu as the public order policing to make sure ukuthi akuna conflict akuliwa akulinyazwa umuntu hayi lento abasuke sebetshelwa yona ngoba kuthiwa hey kaliwa lapha phambani noshaya nenze njani bafike babuka ukuthi oh hayi nampa belungu nampa bathi abanye baziye badla iKentucky